Hello guys, I am going to teach you today how to rebuild a G Endbell. You will need needle nose, small, a small flathead screwdriver, and an X-Acto knife. First step to start is you want to take your Endbell, and I want you to take your X-Acto knife and cut the little black nibs right here on either side of the brush arm. See that? Okay. Then I want you to take your flathead screwdriver on the front hand side and you stick it in here and pry it out just like that. Then turn it, take your flathead screwdriver, put it right in there like that, and pull it out and it'll look like that. Then you take your needle nose and see in there, you want to grab a hold of the brush arm and pull it straight out, and you'll end up with that. Then you just repeat the process on the other side. Pry it out. Take that one and poke it out. Take your needle nose, pull out the brush arm. Okay. Take a Q-tip and clean out the inside of the Endbell, and it'll end up looking like that, but it'll look brand new when you get done with it. Okay. Now, I am using Slot Tech's gold brush arms and brushes. So you take it, slide it in here, take your flathead and just get it to seat well, then turn it over and then pull up on it like that, and then you will poke it down in the holder. Then you want to get this far side started first, and then this side, and then take your needle nose, your small needle nose, you clamp it on it, and it goes right in there like that. One side done. All right, let's do the other. Same way, except now you'll see that that brush is going to hit the other brush. So take your flathead, scoot it up like that, and just get it started past the brush, and then seat it like you did the other one. Then you come over here on this side, pull up on it like that, have it seat right there in it, bring that in, bring the bunny ear in, get it started, and there you go, guys. Brand new Endbell. You just saved yourself a bunch of money.